Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the solar street light from Fuhungrui. This LED light is 60 watts and 6,000 lumens. It's 3.4 volts, and as you can see, it has a very large solar panel. It has different modes. By default, it's going to be on the light sensing mode, where once it's dark, it's going to be at 30% light. And then once it detects motion with this motion sensor that you see there, it's going to power at 100%. And then we're going to take a look at that in a bit. It has different mounting options. You can mount it just on the wall using this bracket, and you would just screw into the wall. Or it has this other piece where you would put it on a pole, how it is right now. And it comes with this hardware that's pretty genius. So the more you screw it, the tighter it gets, and this opens up because the pole's not that thick. So here's a look at it. And then again, the solar panel is very large, so it can charge fairly quickly in the day as long as there's sunlight. And there are all the LEDs. It has various LEDs, and the number doesn't really matter. I'm going to show you guys in a bit once it's dark. This is going to be an honest review. This unit was sent by the manufacturer, I believe, for me to review, but you're going to take a look once it's dark. There's a light. And then you could see the on and off button and the motion sensor. There it is. Hi guys, so I forgot to mention that the light is waterproof. You can see the brightness right there, and this is how bright it's getting here right now. And that's the AUTech light that I have. It's definitely brighter. And I think it's in full brightness mode. So it's like 3 AUTech lights combined. So it's pretty bright. I forget to mention that the light also comes with a control. Here's a control. It has an on and off option, 2-hour on timing, 4-hour on timing, 6 hours, or full light mode, or the sensing mode. And we're gonna see if we can turn it on. Well, I guess it's still not dark enough. Okay, so once it gets darker, we'll turn it on. Okay, so now the light is on. And as you can see, it is very bright. Another thing that I didn't mention is that it's very, very waterproof. Here's a control. Let's see if I can turn it off. And I don't know if I'm far or too far, but it doesn't want to work right now. But yeah, it's very, very bright. And it's very waterproof because we've had some thunderstorms. So what I recommend, if you have the money, if you have $100, and also if you need a light source that fits with your home in this light fashion, like a solar street light, then yes. If you need a light fixture, you can try out the ones that they sell. But otherwise, yeah, it's a good product.